Okay, now this is off. And now both lights are on. So definite improvement. So we are outside right now, and as you can see, it's dark, and this is slightly lit. And so the light is off right now. When we turn it on, the first mode, you essentially click it once and it's going to flash. The first mode is motion detect, so the light will remain off until somebody approaches the LED. So we're going to wait for the light to turn off. Turns off completely, and now we're going to enter. And there we go. The next mode, you simply click the power button again, is the slightly dimmed mode, which means if a subject is near the motion sensor, it will be full brightness. If you walk away, it won't completely turn off, it will just dim the light, so it's still visible. Of course, this is going to eat up a little more of the battery. See? So there's a little bit of light there. Now if we approach it, there you go. And then the last mode, once again, we're going to click this here, is the constant power on, whether there's motion or not. So this dims and turns on about 100 lights or so. Feels like about 100 lights. It's a little more dim because it's conserving a little more power, but it's always on. I prefer actually just to have a motion sensor, but that's just me. Okay, now this is off. And now both lights are on. So definite improvement. If you want to take a look at these lights, take a look in the description. I'll leave a link. Thank you guys so much for watching. Click like, share, and subscribe.